How to clear WhatsApp status. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application. Once you're here, you will be taken to this page where you can view all your chat list. Then, you need to tap on the updates icon at the bottom left corner. And as you can see, a status has been already uploaded. You need to tap on the three dots over here, and then a drop-down menu will appear. You need to select the delete option from the menu, and then confirm your action by tapping on the delete once status updates option. Once you're done, your status will be removed from WhatsApp. You can now put up a new story on your WhatsApp status that won't require any changes. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can clear WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.